Hello, Prowess partners. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into essential packing tips for anyone planning to travel this season. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you never miss out on future videos. Now, let's get started. Packing efficiently can make all the difference in having a stress-free travel experience. By organizing your things ahead of time, you'll save yourself time, space, and even money. Creating a simple packing list helps you stay focused on the essentials, so you don't end up overpacking or dragging around things you won't need. And here's where packing techniques come in handy, like rolling your clothes or using packing cubes to keep things neat and maximize space in your suitcase. You'll even have extra room for souvenirs or last-minute items. In the end, packing smart lets you start your trip feeling relaxed and ready, knowing that everything you need is right where it should be. To make your travel smooth and stress-free, start by setting aside time for some research and planning before you even begin packing. First, check your airline's baggage policies. Pay close attention to size and weight limits for both checked bags and carry-ons. This will save you from extra fees and the hassle of repacking at the airport. Next, think about the weather and the activities you've got planned at your destination. Pack clothing and gear that will keep you comfortable and ready for whatever comes your way. Finally, create a detailed packing checklist. This helps you stay organized, avoid overpacking, and make sure you don't forget the essentials. With a good checklist, you'll feel confident that you've got everything you need for a great trip. When it comes to packing, a few simple strategies can really improve your travel experience. First, packing cubes are a game changer. They help keep everything organized by category and let you maximize the space in your suitcase. Another tip, roll your clothes instead of folding them. This saves space and helps prevent wrinkles, so you'll look great when you arrive. Go for versatile clothing that you can mix and match to create multiple outfits with fewer pieces. This helps streamline your packing even more. And when it comes to shoes, keep it minimal. Choose a couple of pairs that work for different occasions, so you free up space for other essentials. By using these packing tips, you'll be able to pack smarter and lighter, leaving you with a neat, organized suitcase that's easy to manage throughout your trip. To make the most of your suitcase space and keep things organized, use some smart packing techniques. Start by layering lighter items on top of heavier ones. Put shoes at the bottom and place your delicate clothes on top. This helps protect your lighter items from getting crushed or damaged. For bulky items like jackets and sweaters, use compression bags to reduce their size and create extra room. Another great tip is to wear your heaviest items, like boots or a jacket, on the plane. This frees up more space in your luggage for other essentials. By following these simple packing techniques, you'll maximize your suitcase space and keep everything neat and easy to access throughout your trip. When getting ready for a trip, packing your carry-on thoughtfully is key to a smooth travel experience. Make sure to include all your important documents, your passport, ID, boarding pass, and travel itinerary, so they're easy to access during check-in and security. Don't forget your essential electronics like your phone, laptop, camera, and a power bank to keep you connected and entertained during the journey. Personal hygiene items are a must too. Travel-sized toiletries, any medications you need, and hand sanitizer will help you stay fresh and healthy while traveling. By packing these carry-on essentials, you'll have everything you need at your fingertips for a comfortable and stress-free flight. Prioritizing safety when packing is key to having a worry-free trip. Start by using TSA-approved locks on your luggage, so security can inspect your bags without damaging them. Make sure to label your bags with a luggage tag that has your contact information, just in case they get lost or misplaced. It's also smart to pack a small travel first aid kit. Include basics like bandages, pain relievers, and any prescription medications you might need. This can really come in handy if something unexpected happens. By taking these simple precautions, you'll reduce the risk of theft, loss, or health issues, and you'll be able to enjoy your travels with peace of mind. When traveling internationally, a few extra steps can make your trip much smoother. First, pack a universal travel adapter to ensure you can charge your devices no matter what type of outlet you encounter. This simple item can save you from the hassle of dealing with incompatible plugs. It's also important to be aware of cultural sensitivities. Make sure to pack clothing that aligns with local customs and traditions. Doing a little research before you go will help you dress appropriately and show respect for the culture. By keeping these things in mind, you'll be able to explore new places with ease, respect local norms, and fully enjoy the unique experiences that international travel has to offer. Before you head out on your trip, taking a few final checks is key to a smooth departure. Start by double-checking your packing list to make sure you've got everything you need: travel documents, medications, chargers, and adapters. It's also a good idea to weigh your luggage ahead of time to avoid any surprise fees at the airport. This will save you both money and hassle. Lastly, keep your valuable items like cash, credit cards, and jewelry in your carry-on bag. This way, you can protect them from loss or theft and have peace of mind during your travels. By doing these quick final checks, you can head to the airport feeling organized and ready for a stress-free trip. Before you start packing for your next adventure, why not let Prowess Property help you find the perfect place to stay? Whether you're traveling for leisure or work, Prowess Property offers a range of beautifully managed accommodations that will make your trip even more enjoyable. From cozy cottages to stylish vacation homes, you can count on comfort, convenience, and top-notch service during your stay. So, if you're looking for a hassle-free and memorable accommodation, check out Prowess Property. Let us take care of the details so you can focus on enjoying your trip to the fullest. Safe travels, and we hope to welcome you soon.